Hello everyone, in this video, we're going to fix the OneDrive error that says there was a problem connecting to OneDrive with the error code 0x8004de40. This error usually means that your OneDrive app is having trouble connecting to the internet. It can happen because of a poor network connection, wrong settings, or problems with how OneDrive is set up. Let's go through the steps to solve this issue one by one. First, make sure your internet connection is working. If your internet is working, let's move to the next step. Now let's reset your OneDrive connection. Press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Run box. Type this into the Run box. %local app data %, Microsoft's OneDrive OneDrive.exe/reset. Then press Enter. This command will reset the OneDrive app. You may not see anything happen, but give it a minute or two. After that, OneDrive should start by itself. If it doesn't, press the Windows key and R again. Then type %local app data, Microsoft OneDrive.exe and press Enter. This will launch OneDrive manually. Next, we'll make sure your computer is using the right network settings. Go to the Start menu and search for Internet options. Click on it to open. In the Internet Properties window, go to the Advanced tab. Click the button at the bottom that says Restore Advanced Settings. Then click Apply and then OK. This will reset internet settings that might be causing the problem. Now we'll check if the TLS settings are correct. These are used to securely connect to OneDrive. While still in the Internet Properties window, click the Advanced tab again. Scroll down to the Security section. Make sure the boxes for TLS 1.0, TLS 1.1, and TLS 1.2 are all checked. If they are not, check them now. Then click Apply and OK. After that, restart your computer. When it comes back on, check if the OneDrive error is gone. If you're still seeing the error, try reinstalling the OneDrive app. First, uninstall it. Press the Windows key and type Apps and Features, then press Enter. Scroll down to Microsoft OneDrive, click on it, and select Uninstall. Once it's removed, download it and install the latest version from the official Microsoft website. That's it for this tutorial. Take your time going through each step, and you should be able to get OneDrive working again. Thanks for watching.